Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EWRL. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Not sure I've ever done this one before. I don't think so, but I did have some people bring it to my attention after that day here. So congratulations to them, as they are now well in the green. But certainly a chart that seems to be picking up steam in terms of interest and eyeballs. And with the questions I've got on it, thought I'd just get started with doing some video charts on it. So really, there's kind of limited amount I can say just because it's been such a monster move, and as I'll point out with the resistances here in a bit, kind of hard to talk about that sort of stuff. But let's first just talk about support levels. That's very straightforward. But before I even hop into that real quick, you can see the golden cross is underway. That is simply where the 50-day simple moving average crosses up through the 200-day, which is that pink line. So purple crossing up above pink, golden cross, always a nice little thing to see going on with the chart. So in terms of support levels, first one's going to be right here. That was a resistance going into today, but with it now being broken, so 0.037 is going to be the first level of support. I am going to make this line skinny because while it is, yes, a level of support, technically, if the price were to fall below there, by no means should you panic or anything like that. So this would be an ideal support level, meaning ideally you'd like to see it hold, but it doesn't need to hold by any means or anything like that. The next level of support, actually I'm going to split the difference there, is going to be right down here at 0.026. I'll make that line, leave that the same thickness because it is a little bit more important of a support level. But really, at the end of the day, as long as the price can remain above these moving averages, then the overall chart will remain bullish. Now, before you call me crazy, why would the price want to fall all the way down there? Well, let's say it came all the way down here, found support, and then headed back up. Well, when we go to figure out our lows, this low would be here, this low would be down here, and then when we draw our trend line and connect those lows, we would still be able to draw an uptrend line. So yes, I totally understand nobody would want to see it go down there, but I'm just saying from the grand scheme of things, from the overall chart, as long as the price remains above these overall moving averages, the overall trend and chart will remain bullish. Now, in terms of resistance levels, really the only one I can talk about is right here at 0.043. That's where the profit taker stepped in today, because after that is going to be a blue sky breakout again. So, and I say again because it was already in a blue sky breakout today until these profit takers stepped in. So 0.043 is a current entry to re-enter into blue sky breakout territory. You look back through the history of the chart, if you scrunch it up, there's some other history here. But as far as I'm concerned, given that this happened, long time ago, I think it's safe to call it a blue sky breakout. So again, re-enter into blue sky breakout with a break of 0.043. But all in all, great looking chart. Nice to see this volume stay consistent and the past 2 days start to increase again. So it'll be interesting to see how the rest of this week goes for it. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting, or maybe you already use charts but are looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on that image up above. Multiple courses for beginners up through those looking for advanced tactics, all in instant download format, so you could literally get started on them today if you so choose. They've been getting good third-party reviews and testimonials, so I'd encourage you to click on that image and give them a try. In fact, we just released a new course called Trampoline Trading, all about how to master playing the bounce trade and find short squeezes before they happen. So I'd encourage you to look into that one. One more time, this was EWRL. Thanks for listening and have a good one.